is. So this time we're going to open the file again, then encode the names of the students in this particular section. So you're going to encode this particular names of students according to first surname. So for example, Agbon, comma, their given name or first name, Raymar, for example, then space, middle initial, period. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to type the next name, Albisa, for example, John Ray E, so on and so forth. So I am now done typing the names of the students for the boys and for the girls for this for demonstration purposes. So I just made 10 boys and 10 girls. Okay, that's it. Thank you.